Hi everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video, we're going to combine textures together. We'll take three textures, ambient occlusion, roughness, and displacement, and merge them into a single texture. Each one will be stored in a different channel of that texture. To do this, we need to enable the Texture Graph plugin. Go to Edit on the top left, then open the plugins window. Search for Texture Graph and enable it. Normally, you'll need to restart the engine, but I already did that earlier, so I'll skip it here. After the restart, right-click in the content browser, go to the Texture section and choose Texture Graph. Open it up. Now I'll import my three textures into this graph. Then, from the left side, add a node called Combine Channel. Connect ambient occlusion to the red channel, roughness to the green, and displacement to the blue. Finally, connect the output node to the graph's output. You can click any node to see its settings in the Details panel, but I won't change anything here. I'll just rename the output and click Export. Now you can see each texture placed inside its own channel, but if you look closely, the combined texture has lower contrast compared to the original ones. It's hard to see the details. To fix that, go back into the texture graph. In front of the roughness texture, or any texture you want, add a brightness and contrast node, lower the brightness a bit, and export again. Now it looks much better. The first output was almost invisible, but this one is much clearer. Of course, you could also adjust the intensity later in your material, but this way you get a clean texture output. The Texture Graph plugin is a powerful and really useful tool. You can even do the opposite, separate one texture into multiple ones. Or for example, take your normal map and add noise or surface detail directly using nodes. It's simple, just experiment, and you'll get it quickly. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yes, you can also do the same thing in Photoshop or Adobe Substance if you want.